exercise books, rough exercise book. In that you can write the questions. Understood? Ready? Rough exercise book. Exercise book means exercise copy. Okay. So I have already told you about the syllabus. Syllabus, did you write or not? You write syllabus? Okay. And questions are like this. Are you ready? Okay. Write on the first question. Define heat in rough copy, please. Define heat. Mention any 4 sources of heat. Define heat. Mention any 4 sources of heat. Define heat. Mention any 4 sources of heat. Okay, question number 2. What are the different methods of conduction of heat? What are the different methods of conduction of heat? Differentiate between no, I have just done like this. Question I have marked here. Okay. What are the different methods of conduction of heat? Differentiate between sea bridge and land bridge. Define, okay. So 1 plus 2 equals to 3 marks. Here 1.5 plus 1.5 equals to 3. 6 mark it became. Number 3. Well level of okay, from the chapter heat, no default will stay there only. First complete this question, then I'll think. I don't want to see anybody doing, means all up to your students are sitting there, not default. Yes or no? Now I have to adopt this system. They are very passive. 1 work also not done, 2 works also not done. Draw a well level diagram of a thermos flask. So from this chapter 8 marks question. Now question number 4. Differentiate between longitudinal wave and trans-talking wave. Draw the diagram of light wave. So we have to identify what type of wave is it. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3 marks. Number 5. Write any two properties of electromagnetic wave. Now question number 6 is here. Draw a well labeled diagram of a greenhouse. How much mark gun? Here 3 plus 2 5 plus 3 8 10 13 plus 2 15 marks already gone. Now 5 more marks will be asked from next chapter. So every day you will get like this question. Now these are revision questions. You must complete everything. Okay? Understood? Please. First of all, copy these questions in your rough copy, and then you can do in your fair copy with very nice handwriting. Understood or not? Now I don't want to hear I don't know, not like that. Everyone must know. If you don't find out, question is not given from your book, and you don't find out. Now next, what is the next topic? Materials used in daily life, right? Acid, base and salt. Yeah, acid, base and salt. From there I will give you. Finished, you see how fast they are going. Isn't it? Hey, what is going on there? Okay, now 5 mark question I will give from where? Materials used in daily life, mainly acid, base and salt. Question is here. Question number 6, 7 is here. 6, 7 is define acid, write any two properties of it. This is 1 plus 2, 3 marks. Now question number 8 is, what do you mean by indicator this is of 2 marks, the end. So till your exam conducts, like this question I will give every day. Okay, these are regular practice work. After this we will forward our lesson also. Let's take once again. What is the first question? Please read. Define heat. Mention any 4 sources of heat. Right. Question number 2. What are the different methods of conduction of heat? Differentiate between sea breeze and land breeze. Question number 3. Draw a well-labeled diagram of a thermos flask. Okay, math also is given. Question number 4. Differentiate between longitudinal wave and transverse wave. Draw the diagram of light wave. So light wave is transverse wave or longitudinal, you find out and show it. What do you think? Whatever wave is light wave? Light wave is longitudinal or transverse? So this wave is transverse. So first lows and then tides. This is longitudinal. Light wave is transverse wave, right? Remember? Write any 2 properties of electromagnetic wave. Draw a well-level diagram of a greenhouse. Define acid. Write any two properties of it. What do you mean by indicator? Give two examples. Did you copy these questions?
Yes.
Already? Good. Now, please take your position correctly. Go to your seat. Defaulters also go. And the positive now. Who are in your activity. So, no copying. Eh? Children, okay, make that one straight. Take correct position. You go. You can come and sit in this side. Eunice, come here. Karuna, you can sit this side. Eunice will sit that side. He's blocking the. Make that one straight. You sit in the side, boy. Keep the bag in the middle. In between our next heading, light. Our main heading is energy in daily life. We have completed the first portion. Heat.
Properly not visible.
Sorry.
Properly not visible.
Properly not visible.
Not from there.
From window it's blocked.
Yeah.
Let's continue our lesson as well, right? Because our combined examination will be on, I think will be from 16th of August. What is the third heading now? Light. Okay. Here are some questions to discuss. What is the first question?
What are the sources of light? What are the sources of light?
It's shown. That means which are shown here. What are sources of light? What is one? Another? And
Candle.
I think three are there, right? Question number 2. What makes an object visible?
Light.
Light. If there is presence of light, object is visible. If there is absence of light, it's not visible, right? We can see each other because of light. But at night time, everything seems black, right? What is the structure? Whether human beings or other structure, we don't know. And the ghost comes during night time only. I don't know whether there is ghost or not. I have not seen, but they have got lots of many more stories about ghosts. Are there many stories or not? So many stories. When we talk with the old people, they tell us many more, and they scare us also. What is third number?
When is an object visible? The observer is in light or the object is in light?
When is an object visible? The observer is in light or the object is in light? When will it be visible? Object should be in light or observer should be in light?
Object.
For me, you are object, I am observer. So light should fall on you. If the light falls on me, then can I see? If the light falls on the object, then only we can see. That means light becomes visible when the object becomes visible when the light falls on that particular object, right? And what is the direction of light to see an object? Backward direction, forward direction, towards or right way? Where it should be? To see you, the direction of light from here to that side, or toward this side? Towards the object or other direction of object? Towards the. So here is Eunice kissing. When the light falls on his body, that light is reflected in my eyes, then only I can see him. But that portion, can I see? Because the light is not falling on my eyes. So that reflected light must fall in our eyes. Now what is this side? Can I see? But if one mirror is kept that side, can I see? Because that reflects light. So reflected light must reach in our eyes to see the object, right? And what is next one? What is a mirror? What is a mirror? Every time we just watch mirror, right? Mirror is a smooth surface which reflects a large fraction of incident light and forms the image of an object. Near to the door, door one big image, mirror is kept. Do you check your figure there or not? Sometime in break time also you will go in. Some people they prefer to comb the hair. What are putting in and you others karki? Stand up. His concentration is different. Put something in mouth and think that is Durga. Huh? How many types of mirrors have you observed? How many types of mirrors are there? Two types? What, many? Mirrors are many more, but basically we can categorize mirrors into two types. One is plain mirror and a curved mirror. One is plain mirror, another is curved mirror. So which mirror is kept in our house or in plain mirror, is right? Plain mirror. But where is curved mirror used? We will be discussing. In bicycles, mirror is also is a curved mirror, right? In bicycle also they can use mirror. No, they will just fix one stand and mirror. Then that is mirror, bicycle mirror. Like in bike also there is mirror, right? And what next one? How do you see your face in a mirror? I think in the same position, right? If you are standing. If inverted only. But in curved mirror, position may be different. And what is reflection of light? Next heading is here. Reflection of, you can see one phenomenon here. Light has fallen down here and it is going in another direction or not? What is this? Reflection of light. And do all objects reflect light uniformly? Do they do? Keep one mirror and your coat in that sunlight. Mirror reflects light and it may come to our eyes. Your coat, does it do? That means all they do not reflect in the same way. Some reflect more amount of light. Some reflect less amount of light. That will be discussed today. Okay, children, now, first of all, what is the definition of light? So, energy is capacity to do work, right? And there are different forms of energy. One form is heat energy, we have already discussed. Another is light energy. Oh, Lord! Next one is sound energy, electrical energy, magnetic energy, kinetic energy, potential energy. Yes or no? So many types of energy are there. These are the forms of energy, and it gives us sensation of sight. We can see the object. So corona is like this because of light. Blind persons, they cannot. They just imagine what type of person he or she is. But we should not imagine, oh, Nisha Sivakoti is like this. If I meet Nisha on the way, then I can say, oh, Nisha, how are you? Because of sight. I have seen her. Ramita, whom I haven't seen, how can I recognize? Can I? Matter is light. So, and there are some substances from which light can be obtained. Light is produced. They are called sources of light. What are the sources of, some sources of light? The sun, glowing bulb. The bulb is not, don't say bulb. Bulb must be glowing. Then only light can be obtained. Like if you switch on, then it gives us light. Now it is switched off, then how can it give? That's why glowing bulb, glowing candle, burning fire. Fire is always burning. Yes or no? If there is no thing burning, then there is no presence of fire.
A burning candle.
Yeah, torch light, which is on, that is also source of light. If it is off, then not source of light. This camera also can be a source of light. There is torch light. Yes or no?
Yes.
Let's not say camera only, let's not say phone only. It is compact machine. Right? If phone, then only we could do one work. It is a television also. Do you agree? We can watch many more movies here. It is a camera also. Now all shooting is going on. It can record sound also, sound record also. Photo editor also. That's not all. That's why it is complicated machine. What is given here? Please read this one. To see an object, light needs to be reflected off the object and enter in our eyes. If reflected light enters in our eyes, we can see. Otherwise, cannot. I can see that laptop. The reflected light falls on me. But Sumit Sunar, how is the activity of Sumit Sunar? Can I observe from here? But if I see, then I can observe. He is a lazy boy. He doesn't do the work also. Now I can see. He comes before 8 and lakh, here to toilet to here, 5 times. I notice him today. And work remains same. Second tallest boy, first laziest boy. Sumit, remember it? Complete the work. If you are not able to complete all your work by 5:30 p.m., stay here up to 10 p.m. and go home. Complete the work. If you say, sir, I want to stay inside and read, then we don't say that on study. Matter is like that. Grade 8 students, you have to be more laborious. Master Fuyal didn't read. What is greenhouse also? Sir, I didn't find the answer. Greenhouse answer is there on the first line. That type of lazy bones doesn't work. So, what is mirror? Here is given the definition of mirror. What is mirror? See? Two types of mirrors. What are they? Plane mirrors and round mirrors. Those questions answers are discussed here or not? That's what to do. We have to read carefully. After reading, which are important thing, we must underline. What to do? Underline. After underlining, you can write in your note, but don't copy only that much. Add something. Then it will be very dashing note. You can remember for a long time. Understood or not?
Yes.
So, if I say, okay, read the book, and for reading the book, you have to look at towards the pages or not. When you look at towards the pages, reflected light falls in your eyes, then you can see. Book is front, eyes are this side. Then how can I read? Possible? Again, for reading also there must be attention and concentration. How many things are required? Mainly 2 things. What are they? Attention and concentration. Reading, the mind is roaming here and there. Oh, yesterday I went to play, thinking like that. Looking at the book. Then what is that? Is that concentration? Right? So, just be focused, read and underline. Now from today onwards, what are you going to do? During the time of reading, you underline the matter and make the notes. Understood? Have you got the work? Every day I need to give you near about 6-7 such questions, so that there will be frequent revision and you can do well. Okay, 2 works are there. One is note making. Number 2, solving the questions. Understood? So don't waste time. If somebody becomes absent, inform. Thank you.